Hi everyone, welcome back to Yachty Code. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge Jupyter Notebook with PyCharm. I am super excited about this because I just learned how to do it and I just couldn't wait to make a video about it. So in my previous video, I showed how to install Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm, and then I did a comparison of the two. And I was saying there are some cases where Jupyter is better, and in other cases, PyCharm is better. But if you're able to merge them, then you can get the best of both worlds. So very quickly, it's not hard. You just need to open up PyCharm. I'm already there, and create a new file. So I'm going to my YouTube directory. I'm going to right click to create a new file. But instead of selecting the first option, I'm going to scroll all the way down to Jupyter Notebook. Click on that and let's call this test. Enter. There you go. Jupyter Notebook file is created. It's saying Jupyter is not installed, so let's see what happens when I do that. So it's installing the Jupyter package, which I think is a package that comes with PyCharm in Python in PyCharm. Okay, with Jupyter Notebook now accessible from PyCharm, let us work some magic and see how well the two of them work together. So one of the problems I had with Jupyter Notebook was the fact that I wouldn't know if I had a mistake with my code until I actually run the code. So let's try to print something in an incorrect way. Let's print look at the magic of PyCharm kicking in right now. Immediately it's underlining my code and it's saying I am missing my closing quote. So let's close it and let's print it and see. Boom! Jupyter now kicks in and it prints it in the line right below the code. So if we run another line of code, our usual 10 plus 10, it runs it, the output is right below it. So there's no console as you would see in the default PyCharm. This is just perfect because, hey, if you can get both of these, then it works wonders. You're able to take advantage of the exploratory features that Jupyter has, and then the color-coded features that PyCharm has. One downside to all of this, unfortunately, is Jupyter is only available with PyCharm Professional. So I did a little reading, and apparently at one point you could get it with the Community Edition, but they stopped that like 2 or 3 years ago. So in this case, PyCharm is really saying, hey, only if you pay for it. Otherwise, you're going to have to struggle with one or the other. Thank you so very much for watching. That's all I wanted to show you, how to merge Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm if you're using PyCharm Professional. See you in the next video.